Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. This month, I designed some green food themed sticker sheets and matching printables. Here is a new printable I made, including many monthly headers and the days of the week labels. It's a matching set with my other gold green stickers. It is very fun to look at these healthy green food stickers, and it is so cute to use them in my bullet journal setup. I also made a mini month and the days of the week sticker sheet in green, so I can easily use them to match my main color. Let's get started. Here I'm creating my first weekly spread. Unfortunately, I lost the video footage for this spread. However, this is a pretty self-explanatory process. Unfortunately, I lost the footage for my second weekly spread as well. But I promise this is the last lost footage. I used the printable to add details for this spread. Here is my third weekly spread. I really like this layout because I can have more spaces to write down my texts for each day. I'm using different green colors to draw lines on the top. Sticking some green food stickers on the button. Then writing the dates and sticking the weekly stickers. This is the fourth weekly spread. I'm drawing 6 boxes, 3 boxes on the left page and 3 boxes on the right page. Then using the printable decorative rectangle stickers and the green food stickers from the sticker sheets to decorate these 2 pages. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with a new video. Please leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments down below. I'm really thankful for your support and encouragement to my channel and my videos. It means the world to me. Then drawing a green color box around the pages. Finally, drawing some decorative small dots all over the pages. That's it for the fourth weekly spread. Lastly, it is my fifth weekly spread. I'm drawing a total of 8 boxes, with 6 boxes on the right page and 2 boxes on the left page. I'm placing some ribbon stickers on the top of each day. then adding the days of the week for each day. Then putting some decorative stickers on the left side of the left page. I have many free printables that I made for you. If you haven't already downloaded these printables, please check the free download link down below. If you want more doodle and bullet journal inspiration ideas, please check out my Pinterest and Instagram. I will put the links in the description. Finished! This is the final flick through. I included every spread from this month, so you can see the complete designs. If you haven't watched my last video where I made the other spreads, make sure to check it out. The link is in the description. I hope you like this setup. Please don't forget to check out these green food theme printables and the matching sticker sheets. The link is down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!